Mastering Microsoft Teams: Why Shortcuts Matter.
The keyboard shortcuts in Microsoft Teams can streamline your workflow, allowing you to navigate the app, communicate faster, and stay organized with less effort. Learning just a few key shortcuts can save you valuable time each day, helping you focus on collaboration rather than clicking through menus.
Navigating Teams effortlessly.
Use Control and Number keys to quickly switch between Teams views. For Windows, press Ctrl+1 for Activity, Ctrl+2 for Chat, Ctrl+3 for Teams, and so on. On Mac, use Command and Number. These shortcuts let you move between conversations and channels with just a tap.
Quick messaging and reply shortcuts.
To start a new chat, press Ctrl+N on Windows or Command+N on Mac. Move between conversations with Ctrl+Shift+up or down arrow. When replying in a thread, simply press R. These shortcuts enhance your messaging speed. No more scrolling or searching for buttons.
Meeting controls at your fingertips.
During meetings, pressing Ctrl+Shift+M toggles your microphone mute on or off. To turn your camera on or off, use Ctrl+Shift+O. These quick commands help you respond instantly, so you can participate smoothly without hunting for on-screen controls.
More helpful shortcuts to know.
Access the command box instantly with Ctrl+E on Windows or Command+E on Mac. This lets you search, launch apps, or send commands from anywhere in Teams. To see all available shortcuts, press Ctrl+period or Command+period for a handy reference guide.
Start boosting your workflow today.
Integrating these shortcuts into your daily routine can help you work smarter in Microsoft Teams. Practice a few each day and soon you'll notice improved speed and efficiency. Whether you're chatting, meeting, or navigating, keyboard shortcuts make collaboration effortless.